Hey guys, welcome back to Ham Radio for Non-Techies, where we try to simplify the ham radio hobby to get you to study for and pass your tests and get on the air as quickly as possible. I had a viewer from a comment from a viewer today, and that made me decide to spark a new video here. Now, this video is probably going to be more for the new people that are getting into ham radio. Some of you more seasoned people are going to know about these things. But his question was basically, you know, he was concerned that he was trying to find a 7300, an ICOM 7300 HF radio, and the pricing right now is kind of weird, you know, $1,500, $1,400. And I wanted to make this video to kind of show you guys, you got to learn to shop around. And if you don't know who the big players are in ham radio as far as retailers go, I want to kind of simplify that a little bit for you. One train of thought is to see if you can find somebody who has a used 7300 or any used radio at all. It doesn't have to be a 7300. It could be a 991, it could be a 7610, you know, whatever. But if you're trying to find certain radios, go out and look online and see if, you know, check out the different places out there that might have swap meets and stuff like that. Some of the clubs have their own little sections where people can post listings for radios and stuff. I know my club has a email blast that we do, and if you want to sell something, you can throw it on the email there, and people can contact you and get a hold of you and purchase the the equipment or the gear. But as far as trying to find the deals, you got to know who the heavy hitters are, who the big retailers are out there to find the radios, and understand that ICOM does have. I mean, ICOM, Yaesu, Kenwood, they all run specials throughout the entire year, off and on. They'll have either mail-in rebates or instant rebates, or in the case you're going to see here in a minute, there's an instant rebate and a mail-in rebate for certain radios, which brings those prices back down. Now, we're still having issues with supply chain stuff. You know, I know HRO is out of a lot of radios, but some other places have them. Let's pop over to my desktop real quick and start looking at some of these deals here. Okay, so if you go to gigaparts.com, they have a section up at the top here called Specials, and under the mail-in rebates, you can look at ICOM or Yaesu. It brings up, I think it pretty much brings up the same page. But Yaesu right now has instant savings on certain models of their radios. So you want to look here and see what's going on, see who's running the deals and who's got, you know, either instant rebates or mail-in. ICOM has a 2-for deal going on. So right now, if you buy certain models, like say you want a 7300, you get instant savings of $150 off the asking price on their page, and you can also send in an additional $100 rebate. So that's $250 off the price of an ICOM 7300 if you wanted to get that. Same thing with Kenwood. If you want to get any Kenwoods, they have these little sales. And these things go on throughout the entire year, off and on. They change them up sometimes. Sometimes they'll take a break for a month and kick it back up the next month. But with us approaching fall, with the holidays coming up, they're going to want to sell. They're going to want to sell a lot of radios. They want to get them out there. So they're going to be running all kinds of deals and things. So that brings me to the next thing. I'm only going to stick with the 7300 in this video, but this pertains to other radios out there you might be interested in. Always shop around, because not all of these retailers are created equal. Case in point, we go over here to ICOM. So they got the 7300, $1,500, $1,400 after mail-in rebate, and they also, I guess you have another, there's an instant rebate also, which brings it down a little bit more. So you might be able to get that. And they have these things available right now. It looks like, they're ready to ship. So always check and see if they're ready to ship. Also, you have open box and used stuff from them. They have a used section in their retail outlets to purchase them. So for $12.50, you can pick one up. Now, you think that's a fantastic deal. It's a fantastic deal. Well, it is and it isn't. If we go over to Ham Radio Outlet and we click on ICOM 7300, you'll see that they have the $150 manufacturer coupon. There's also a $100 rebate, and they have theirs set at $1,250. So after that rebate, you'll get it for $1,150, and that's brand new. Now, you look down here under the stock, they don't have any in stock at any of their stores. However, if you want to lock in this price, if you want to get this now, you go ahead and buy it. Buy it now. Call them up and say, hey, if I buy this thing that's at this price, what's your estimated delivery? Talk to these people. They'll kind of give you an idea if they know what's coming in and what they're going to have available for you. So if you want to get into a 7300 right now for $1,150, which is only $150 more than I paid for mine 3 months ago, this is the way to do that. So you can find good deals. So we looked at Gigaparts, we looked at Ham Radio Outlet. Who are the other heavy hitters out there? R&L Electronics. That's randl.com. They always have deals on stuff, and they also carry the 7300. They're offering it for $11.49 with the $100 rebate, and they're also out of stock, but you may still be able to purchase that, get it locked in at this price, and then when it comes in, they'll ship it to you. Good deal. So we have those three. Next one is going to be Mtc Radio, or Main Trading Company. I didn't see any 7300s on here. I guess they don't really offer the option to purchase stuff. If they don't have it, they won't even put it on their website. But they do have deals and sales on their stuff as well. And finally, last but not least, of the big ones that I know of, is DX Engineering. And DX Engineering, again, has a mail-in rebate, $100. They're offering their manufacturer coupon, $1149.95 for a 7300. And they're not in stock, but you can add it to the cart and, again, lock in that price and get it for that price. So the main idea here is just shop around, look for these things, look for the deals. Go check out ICOMAmerica.com, Yaesu's USA site. They should have on their site somewhere, they might have somewhere talks about what deals they have coming up or what deals they're currently running. And a lot of the retailers stay on top of this to make sure that you guys get the best deals. So shop around, look at who you can find. And I've purchased from every single one of these companies out there. I've purchased from Gigaparts. I've purchased from HRO. I've purchased from R&L, MTC, and DX Engineering. They're all reputable places, and getting these things shipped to you is not a big deal. When I call HRO, I've had issues in the past with, they like to ship things out sometimes through USPS, and the post office is not created equal, right? When you get stuff shipped from the post office, depending on where you live, it can show up perfect or it can show up completely, like they kickbox it all the way down to your house. So I do put in requests sometimes when I'm ordering bigger equipment, like, hey, please don't ship this via UPS or USPS. Ship it UPS or FedEx or some alternative way if it's possible, if it doesn't increase the price of the shipping. So they'll sometimes work with you on these things, but you've got to communicate with people. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. So do your due diligence and look around for the deals you want to find. Again, you can find swap meets. I wish I had, there was a link somewhere I had before. It was a QR, I think QRZ might have a swap meet thing on their page, also a classifieds. But you want to look around for stuff like that and see if you can find little deals on radios. Obviously, ham fests are a good place to go, but if you're not the first person there, the good deals get bought up within the first 20 minutes of those things opening. So you got to really know what it is you're looking for and kind of plan that out. But if you're looking for brand new stuff, and I like brand new stuff only because I like the warranties. I really can't afford to go off and buy things twice. If I make a bad decision, something screws up. So I'd rather something has a warranty backing it that kind of protects me as a consumer with the item that I'm purchasing. So let's go back over here again. I was looking at HRO and I kind of passed up a couple things. You can see here, the ICOM is $11.49 after rebate. If you wanted a $9.91, you're looking at $12.29. Don't really think they have any deals going on with the $9.91 right now. Yeah, it's just their discount price. So if you wanted that, $12.29.95 might be the way to go. And if you look down here, they also have these in stock. When you see the green box with a check mark in it, that means it's in stock and ready to ship. And when you see it with the white box with the check mark in it, that means low stock or limited stocks. You might want to call. If you live near Atlanta, you want an order from that store, I would call them, find out, Google it, type in Ham Radio Outlet, Atlanta, Georgia, and it should pop up on the right side in the map pack or on for their Google My Business page with a phone number. So give them a call, say, hey, I'm looking at this radio. Do you have it in stock? And they'll say yes or no, and say, could you please put your hands on it to confirm? If they do, purchase it right there, be done with it. FTDX 101, $42.49.95. If you wanted to go with a mobile radio, this is a fantastic little radio here. I think I paid, I think I paid around $549, maybe $589. I'm not sure what I paid for mine, but that's still a good deal, and it's on sale right now. So you just got to look around and see who's got the sales to find the best deals. Now, what I will do, when I get done with this video here, I'm going to put down in the description all these different retailers so you have it as a reference. I'd suggest maybe copying these things, go to their different sites and bookmark them. Make a bookmark up on your, let me see. If you're using Chrome, you have this little toolbar, this bookmarks toolbar. Make one called Ham or Ham Radio, or make it inside of there, have one called Ham Radio Retailers. And look at all these links I've got since I got into Ham Radio. and I have folders inside of here for different things, different retailers and stuff. So just make one for ham radio retailers or ham radio distributors or, you know, ham radio gear, and start bookmarking all of these different retailers. That way you got them at your fingertips, and you can just go click, 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 and get through and find the deals. So that's pretty much it, guys. I didn't really want to make this a really long video, but I thought it was necessary, because if you're new to the hobby, you might not know where to go. You might not have resources out there, who to talk to find out where to buy radios. You know, you might think that Amazon's the be-all, end-all, and believe me, it is not. I saw that Granger, which is they sell all kinds of hardware and stuff for industrial applications. They sell 7300s now. And for the low, low price of $2,600, you can get one from them. So yeah, don't think there's just a one-stop shop for everything. You know, you got to do your due diligence and look around to find the deals if you want to get the deals. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And, you know, if you have not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. It's free, and you'll be notified when I do new videos. And until then, guys, this is Ham Radio for Non-Techies, and we are clear.